Alright guys, what's up? Zach and Jared back at it here again today for Down South Racing, and long behold, Jared's 18 car is here and it's on the tire. So we're gonna let it cool down here for just a minute. Neither one of us have much fuel in it. Jared has his, if you can hear us, literally full interior, you know, no cheating, no nothing, back seats and all, literally just on a tire. The car is stock with an X-pipe, so we're gonna see how it goes. He's gonna let me drive it once and then probably throw the tire on mine. We'll see how he can do in his, just kind of letting it cool off for right now and go from there. But hoping the tire makes a decent difference, not so much on the launch because of the torque management, but just the shifts. I mean, you can tell them about how your car shifts on the 1-2 in drag mode.
Bad.
Wheel hop. So wheel hop city, but you know, both rides out here tonight, hoping we can do something decent and just have a good time. I tried to let you go, but damn, you went.
I let out.
No mile an hour, and Jared also let out. And I also tried to GoPro it, but it never fails. So there's a lot of noise here, but it never fails when I try to put the GoPro on Jared. He always goes the opposite direction of which, like he's either in front of me or behind me, depending upon which way I go. But my car went 1232, his car went 1234 on the tire. So I mean, I'm pretty pleased with 12.3 on the discrete tires. I'm not mad about that, with a jack and everything in the car. So, but your car went. So how about them shifts?
That's crazy.
A lot better. Told you. Well, heck yeah.
I think it'll go better. It'll definitely.
I think it definitely go 12.2. I think as the night goes on, it might go 12.1 or 12.0 if we can wait it out a little bit better. Because DA right now, guys, is over 2,000. So, my man, that's the best the car's ever been, and you let off.
Yeah, let up.
So,
and that's my first pass in how many months?
November, so 7 months.
It's not bad.
Not bad, buddy. What do you think, Big Dan?
The hell. The traction light, like when I stalled it the first time, it come on and like it pushed me forward.
Huh. 1195 though, big. Was that what it was?
Yeah.
Rolled out, son.
190, 60 foot.
Oh my God! And you, but you, what would you go mile an hour wise?
117.
Dude, that's moving. Heck yeah, dude. That's rolling, my man.
What the hell?
props.
You know what's up, did you?
I learned so, but I didn't think about it. Well, guys, here's these two Mustangs. We are quite proud of them. You can see maybe barely. Jared's running my street setup just barely, and I'm on the radials for that last pass. But also, don't pay attention to my garage. We're remodeling our house, but we're pretty pleased. I think both of us are right here, and I mean, to have two pretty consistent, I mean, low 12, high 11 cars. I mean, Jared's car's stock with an X-Pipe. I mean, obviously we know those cars roll, but we want to know if you have a faster stock 18 Mustang. I mean, this thing is literally, it has an X-Pipe. I mean, if you have an X-Pipe or, you know, mufflers, whatever, might make 2-3 more horsepower. And I mean, stock 100% suspension, 100% stock interior, and actually had a few things inside of it as well. So I mean, Jared's a smaller guy though, so that helps him out a little bit. Where you weigh about 150 at the most. Yeah, so
on a bad day.
Not fair, you know, for us bigger guys. But I mean, his car went 1195 at 117.6, and mine went 1198 at 117.59. So there might be a little clip thrown in here to prove that they are quite even. But you know, I mean, it would have been really cool, like we were talking about, to do it side by side. Yeah. But beggars can't be choosers, guys. I mean, really and truly, I mean, you know, you can't be happier with, you know, both your cars going about as good as they can go. You know, if we're realistic, I mean, obviously,
60 foot and good.
I mean, you know, Jared's car, he can take the seats out. You know, I could take the front seat out of mine, take the exhaust out. I mean, if you want to be, you know, ridiculous about your race car type stuff. But either one of our cars could probably max out in the low to mid 11.8 range. You know, they say about every 100 pounds of weight reduction is another tenth. And, you know, I had a bunch of crap in my car. Not making excuses by no means, but, you know, I can't complain when my car goes 11s. But, guys, that really kind of put it into perspective tonight, how fast a stock 2018 Mustang is, if that makes sense. So we couldn't be happier. And we're both ecstatic. So we'll end this probably about right now, but again, let us know if you went faster in a stock 2018, or we shall say stock tune 2018 Mustang, because I guess theoretically anybody could strip it all the way down, but I haven't personally seen it. You know, let us know what your 60 foots and stuff are, and we'll go from there, guys. But I mean, both cars performed well, and they both got us home safe, and so you really can't complain about that, especially when nothing goes wrong. All right, and back to the stock 1819 black accent wheels. Pitiful. I know it's rough. Are you all hearing that? Oh my gosh. What is that? It's like a horsefly, dude. That's what we did to the haters tonight, Jared. Drug the faces of the haters right down the track. But guys, again, I don't know if you want to say anything. I'm sure you're happy, but
yeah, I'm speechless.
I mean, we're not people who have general good luck, if that makes sense. But normally, or go ahead.
To start it off, first pass, it went 12.5.
Yeah.
To 160.
It also, I kindly frigged up the process of putting it in the mode.
At that point, I was like, well, maybe it just ain't meant to be.
Right.
Well, the next pass, I drove it against Zach.
We got GoPro footage of that, and tell the ladies and gentlemen, Jared, what happens every time we race and I put the GoPro in the car.
Well, the first time I always race, I end up letting out pretty good little distance before the quarter-mile ends.
Every time.
Every time.
Like,
so
probably like 50 plus feet.
So I went 12.34 with hitting the brake.
Yeah. Pretty hard. I went 12.32 if anyone was wondering.
Then, an hour later, once they clear the track off.
God, what a time we had. We don't like to talk bad about people, but Jesus.
Stay in the lanes to get on the track for an hour.
That's what it was. You cooled the car off.
Had to have been.
We figured it out, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, then, it went 11.95.
And tell the ladies and gentlemen how many times it took you to attempt to stage.
3 or 4.
We're gonna throw the bloopers in there because why not? It's okay to laugh if you do good in the end.
Yeah, I knew I had to make up for it.
But first pass since November. At the Coyote call out with Xander and Stang mode and Serpent Stangs and everybody. So what a time, guys. But you know, again, we're really proud of these two cars. You know, I've put a lot of work into mine to get it to where it's at, and you know, I mean, the 18 cars are just unreal. And so, what does this mean now? You have to do to the car. Modify it.
Yeah, I guess.
Look at this face right here. This is the face of a man who hasn't modified his Mustang yet. But guys,
I really just wanted to see if I could go 11 stock.
And you did.
I did.
With an X-Pipe.
With an X-Pipe.
So
that's stock.
It's, you know, stock tune for sure.
And drag pack, so.
Well, part of a drag pack, but I mean.
That's mod. And a driver mod.
Yeah, a 100-pound driver mod. I'm not gonna let Jared drive my car because he'll go like 11.2 somehow. But no, I'm kidding, guys. But again, guys, I couldn't be more ecstatic. I know Jared's been pumped all evening since he went 11.9. I was pumped. Everybody at the track was pumped. All of our buddies, you know, just finally see that car go 11s. You know, rightfully so. I mean, his car's fast. And again, there's a little clip in here from Mexico to, you know, we sent a couple professional drivers out while we were still at the track to see what was what because they were trapping very, very similar. And it was kind of cool to see because he had my real tall tires on his car for that, and I had my little radials, so theoretically should kind of help each because he's 355 geared and I had the taller tire, so he's getting more mile an hour out of each gear, and I had the shorter tire where I have 315 gears, so I'm gearing mine up and he's gearing his down, so kind of played into the advantage of each, if that makes sense, and we kind of witnessed that from the video that we were shown. And you know, Mexico's always fun, but you got to be careful. But other than that, guys, I guess we're gonna hop over here and not get the back of the garage where we're doing construction currently in this. But once again, guys, if you like this video, please drop it a like, drop it a comment down below. You know, congrats to Jared. I'm glad he finally got in the 11-second club, and you know, my car's pretty much staying pretty consistent, you know, so I'm happy with that. Really no complaints there. The only problem I've been having with mine is I've got a rattle. We believe we've deduced it to be the shock mount, so I got some BMR shock mounts coming from Lethal here soon, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. But other than that, it's your turn to start modding it, and who knows, maybe I'll get something new. Hint, hint. But guys, once again, thank you for the continued support. We're somewhere around 5,300 subscribers. I know me and Jared started this 2 years ago now. Never thought we would even be at 53 subscribers, let alone 5,300. And so
I remember when we hit 10, we was like, we got 10 subscribers.
I remember when we hit 100. I'm pretty sure we threw a party.
Yeah.
I was like 100 people watch us on YouTube, and then we hit 1,000. And we also hit 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 in the same day, so that was kind of cool. But that video's got 80,000 views now, so go check it out, guys. Go check out the channel. But guys, once again, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for the continued support. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be back at it again here soon with something else. Until then, peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed. Good night.